Due to Bucky Barnes' recent job situation, he is running low on cash. He decides to take $1,000 and put it in the bank for 3 months at an annual simple interest rate of 5%. Part A, how much will Bucky Barnes receive at the end of the 3 months? And part B, how much interest did he receive? Well, the first thing you want to do is figure out how many payments are being made. Is it just one payment or deposit being put into an account, or is it multiple payments or deposits being put into an account? From here, it looks like it is just one-time payment. So one payment or deposit into an account. So if you have one payment in going into an account, it will either be the simple interest formula or the compound interest formula. So you have to look for the words either simple interest or compound interest. And if you do a little more reading, you can see the words simple interest. So this will be a simple interest formula using this right here. A equals P times 1 plus RT. Now you can come along over here to the right and figure out what is A, what is P, what is R, what is T. And we can put those values in. R, I think, is the easiest. That's 5%. And T is 3 months. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind as you're going through and doing this is the time period, or the time unit, in this case months, needs to match the rate. Right now, this is an annual simple interest rate. We need to make it monthly. So not only do we have to change this to a decimal, but we also need to change it to a monthly rate. And you can do that by dividing the rate by 12. The only other piece of information we have given here is the starting amount, which is $1,000, and you're trying to figure out the ending amount. So we can substitute all of these values into this equation, get A equals P, oops, it's not P, it's 1,000, 1 plus 0.05 over 12 times 3 months. And from here, you can just substitute everything onto a calculator and get a final answer, which is $1,012.50. So there's your answer to part A. Part B is asking how much interest was earned. Let's do that in a different color. To find out how much interest was earned, you subtract the starting amount away from the ending amount. You put $1,000 in the bank, and you had this much at the end of 3 months. This is more, so that'll tell you how much interest was made. So $1,012.50 minus $1,000 will give you $12.50.